You earn a good income, but if your job ended today, how long would your lifestyle survive? In Kenya today, a high salary is one of the most dangerous places to hide. You can earn 300, 500, even a million shillings a month and still be one retrenchment, one medical emergency, or one school fees shock away from panic. By the end of this video, you'll discover why a good income does not equal financial freedom. Why so many Kenyan professionals feel stuck despite doing everything right. And the one shift that turns a salary from a trap into a launchpad. If you have ever asked yourself, why doesn't this money feel like progress? This video is for you. Hi, my name is Manyara Kirago, and for over 20 years, I have worked closely with successful Kenyan professionals, people employed in banks, multinationals, NGOs, telecoms, manufacturing, aviation, etc. Smart people, disciplined people, hard-working people. Many of them earn very well, yet when they come to me, they all say the same kind of things. I don't feel secure. I feel like I'm running but not moving. If my job stopped, everything would collapse. The good news, many of these same clients today have predictable rental income, growing net worth, and options. Not because they earn more, but because they changed the way their money works. Let's talk about the biggest lies keeping high-earning Kenyan professionals financially stuck. Number one, once I earn enough, everything will fall into place. This belief is very attractive. You tell yourself, let me get just one more promotion, one more big contract, one more salary raise. But here is an uncomfortable truth. Income without structure creates lifestyle, not freedom. As income rises, expenses quietly rise with it. A better car, a better house, better schools, more obligations. You earn more, but your life becomes more expensive to maintain. The hidden cost, you become too important to fail and too afraid to stop. Number two, I'm safe because I'm saving and investing. SACCO contributions, money market funds, insurance policies, plots for the future. These are responsible moves, but responsibility is not the same as independence. Most of these don't replace your income. They just store it. The hidden danger, you mistake activity for progress. You feel busy, you feel disciplined, but your money still depends on you waking up every morning to earn. Number three, financial freedom is for business people, not professionals like me. This one is subtle. You tell yourself, I don't have the time. I'm not entrepreneurial. Let me focus on my career. But financial freedom is not about running shops or hustles. It's about systems that work while you're at work. The hidden cost of this myth, you delay learning the one skill that matters most, turning income into assets. Here is a truth that changes everything. Salary alone does not create freedom. Systems do. Let me say that again because it needs to sink in. Systems, not salary, create freedom. Your salary is powerful, but only if it is intentionally converted into assets that produce cash flow. Without a system, your salary leaks into lifestyle, convenience, commitments, but with a system, your salary becomes seed capital. And in Kenya today, with the rising costs, unstable jobs, and longer retirements, this matters more than ever. Let me break down into 4 simple areas where things go wrong. Number 1, no clear financial target. Most professionals say, I just want to be comfortable. But comfort is vague. Financial freedom is specific. If you don't know how much monthly income would make you independent, you will never build towards it. Ignoring this keeps you drifting. Defining it gives you direction. Number 2, confusing net worth with freedom. You can have a nice house, a nice car, some savings, and still be financially fragile. Why? Because freedom is about cash flow, not possessions. If your assets don't pay you monthly, they don't protect you. Number 3, no system for converting income into assets. Many people invest randomly. A plot there, a policy there, a side business attempt. There is no sequence, no prioritization, no strategy. The consequence? Years pass, money moves, but nothing compounds. Number 4, doing it alone. High achievers are used to figuring out things by themselves. But wealth building is not about intelligence. It's about experience, structure, and guidance. Ignoring this makes the journey slower, riskier, and more expensive. At this point, you might be thinking, I earn well, but everything is already committed. That's not a money problem. That's a priority system problem. I don't have time. Then you need passive systems more than most people. I'll start when things calm down. They won't. Life only gets more demanding. The truth is not that you can't do this. The truth is you have never been shown a clear, structured path that fits a busy professional life. Here is how you start without quitting your job or overwhelming your life. Step number 1 is to gain clarity. List your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Not to judge yourself, but to know your starting point. Step 2. Define freedom in numbers. Ask, if I didn't work, how much monthly income would I need? That number becomes your target. Step 3. Shift the question. Stop asking, how much do I save? And start asking, what assets am I building that will pay me monthly? Then step 4. Learn the basics. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to understand cash flow, simple returns, risk versus stability in plain language. Step 5. Follow a proven roadmap. Guessing is expensive. A system shortens the journey and reduces mistakes. And that is exactly what I help high-earning Kenyan professionals do. Not chase income, not gamble on trends, but build structured systems that turn salary into freedom. Inside my work, my clients gain clarity and direction, align as couples, build cash-flowing assets, they stop starting over every year, and most importantly, they regain peace of mind. If this video feels like it was speaking directly to you, the next step is simple. I've created a free training called Stop Living Paycheck to Paycheck with These Money Secrets. Inside it, I'll walk you through the core principles of building financial independence, step by step, in plain language for Kenyan professionals. Click the link in the description and watch it today. This is especially for you if you earn well but feel stuck, you're tired of trial and error, you want structure and not hype. Let me ask you a simple question. What do you currently rely on most for your financial security? Salary, savings, or investments? Please tell me in the comments. If this video helped you see things differently, please like it, subscribe, and share it with a friend who earns well but feels trapped. My mission is very simple: to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to true financial freedom with clarity, confidence, and calm. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.